Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the sound. Now the sound is a digraph or special friends because the letters T and H together make the sound. Now to make the sound, your tongue touches your teeth and it's almost like you're poking your tongue out. And at school we say it's the only time you can stick your tongue out at the teacher. Let's have a practice. When I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, it's your turn. Excellent. Now, I wonder what we'll find in my magic box today that uses the sound. Ooh, found an animal. This is a sloth. Can you hear the sound at the end of sloth? Sloth. Sloth. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Ooh, I found some thread. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of thread? Thread. Thread. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Ooh, I found a cloth. Can you hear the sound at the end of cloth? Cloth. Cloth. Excellent. So cloth, thread and sloth all use the sound. Now let's have a go at writing the sound. To write our sound, we need to write the letter T and the letter H. So we start with our T, we start at the top, we go down, little flick, off the page, cross. Then we start at the top, down, halfway up, over and down. Now I want you joining in at home, so let's get those magic fingers ready, give them a good wiggle, give those shoulders a big roll, and remember you can use your other hand to write on. Are we ready? Magic fingers, start at the top, down, little flick, off the page and cross. Start at the top, down, halfway up, over and down. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, down, little flick and cross. Start at the top, down, halfway up, over and down. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is moth. Now, when we blend using the sound, make sure you still have your tongue out when you blend the word. My turn first. Moth. Your turn. Moth. My turn. Moth. Your turn. Moth. Our next word today is thin. My turn first. Thin. Your turn. Thin. My turn again. Thin. Your turn. Thin. Well done. And our last word today is think. Now the word think has two digraphs and special friends. It has th and nk. My turn. Think. Your turn. My turn again. Think. Think. Your turn. Think. Excellent. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the sound. Well done, you've worked really hard today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!